All right, I'm gonna do a quick recap of what I saw today and the trade that I took today. So going into the day, we were pretty bullish. We were disrespecting these 1 hour gaps right here, right? We had a 1 hour gap below, and so my ideal situation was like maybe we get like a Judas, something like this, right? But off market open, we just completely rip up. So I'm basically just looking for continuations, right? So what I want to see is a pullback into a 5 minute and then an inversion to the upside. And so we keep trading up, and then we open up this 5 minute down here, I believe. Yes, we open up this 5 minute right here. And so I was thinking, okay, so if we respect this and we get an inversion, I will take a long here, right? And what happens is 10 a.m. ends up opening up. We hit the gap, right? Then 10 a.m. opens. We have this 15-minute gap below us, but to me, I did not want to, like, we were so obviously bullish, right? I just didn't see us pulling back into that 15-minute gap, so I was willing to just take an inversion if we presented itself, right? Because if we were gonna, in my head, if we were, where did I just go? What the in my head, if we were gonna respect the fuck out of this 5 minute, I just don't see us trading any lower, right? And to me, even if we do trade lower, and let's say I get stopped out and we hit this 15 minute and then there's another entry, like I'm just gonna take the re-entry. It's like whatever to me, right? But to me, like this setup looked good. And then we get this crazy displacement right here, right? And so the highest time frame is a 2 minute here, but I instead just waited for the 1 minute just because with the volatility like this, it was a bit discretionary to take the 1 minute instead of the 2 minute. But with such heavy volatility from red folder, like I just didn't see us getting this 2 minute inversion before our target got taken. So I end up just taking this 1 minute here, and then I just hold it for about what is this, 1.22 RR, and then just break even at this high. And that ends up playing out. And then there was one other trade that I saw that I just marked it out, and then I just came back and saw that it actually hit. But we continue trading upwards, right? And then we get this high time frame SMT here with ES sweeping out this 4 hour intermediate high. But there is not good structure here, so I would prefer to see a somewhat of a resweep, right? So we end up trading down lower. We create this little swing low right here, and then we trade back higher here, and we get another SMT right here, right, with ES resweeping this high. So what do we have now? We have high time frame SMT and a low time frame SMT as well. So this looks pretty good for shorts. At least as like somewhat of a rebalance play. We have so much imbalances below. Like I just see this being like a nice rebalance here, right? And so the highest time frame we get is this 2 minute right here. So if you take this 2 minute here, body stop at the body, you could have taken this for a quick 1-to-1 right here. And then if you targeted more, you probably would have had to go break even here and you would have gotten break even. But if you went for the 1-to-1, like this looked pretty solid. And I honestly thought this was a pretty decent trade as well. But yeah, that's all I really saw today.